Hello guys, Terra Arts Movie here with another exciting tutorial, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to create a 3D looking image from a static image. So this is what we're going to be creating. So I have two photos of Emma Watson here. For example, it's just, as you can see here, a static image, also the other one static image, and this is what we're gonna be creating. So as you can see there, it looks like a 3D image, and the cameras looks like the camera is moving, and there you go. Now you can use this effect or this method for if you gonna create some kind of biography video about some people, and you want to make it interesting instead of just showing their picture. You can use this method. Alright, so let's just get started to the tutorial. I'm sorry. Alright, so first, I'm gonna tell you that you're gonna need two software, which is Photoshop and After Effects. Alright, so first thing first, we're gonna do it in Photoshop. So as you can see here, I already got it running, and we're gonna import the photo. Just click and drag it to Photoshop, and now we're gonna create a new layer by clicking down here, create a new layer, boom, new layer, as you can see here. And maybe you're gonna double click on the picture here, click OK to unlock the lock here, so just in case you want to change something on the picture later. So make sure you click on the new layer here we just create, and then go to the left side over here. As you can see, you get a two box here, white and black. Make sure the black is on the at the top side here, and if your color is not black, just double click it and choose the black color and click OK. There you go, and you're gonna go to here, paint bucket tool. If you're not on the paint bucket tool, just click and hold your mouse and then choose paint bucket tool. There you go, and then make sure again you're on our new layer here and just paint it all black. And then we're gonna change the opacity of this layer to around 70%, so we can still see our photo here. So make sure again you click the our new layer here, and then we're gonna go to the brush tool. So what we are going to do here is actually we're gonna make a map that represents the depths of the image. So imagine that the black area is for the furthest area from the camera, and the white area is the nearest area from the camera. If you still don't understand that, you will understand later. So first thing first, make sure this you're gonna change it to white at the top here. If it's not white, once again just click it and choose the white color and OK. I'm sorry, by the way, I'm kinda in a cold now. So my voice kinda anyway, let's just get started. And yeah, brush tool, and we're gonna change the opacity. It is important, and you're gonna make it 25%, around that. There you go, 24 for me maybe. And you're gonna change the hardness to 100. There you go, and then basically we're gonna paint all of the subject. So to make your brush bigger, just on your keyboard just click end bracket, and to make it smaller just press begin bracket, or manually you can use you can change the size here. That's Indonesian language, right? Alright, so make it bigger from your keyboard is end bracket, and we're gonna paint it white just like so. There you go, all of her hair here. There you go. Alright, so now except the background, of course, just the subject, and then maybe we're gonna make it smaller for the brush here, and we're gonna paint we're gonna make it more brighter on the part that is gonna be nearest on the camera. So as you can see here, her hair here. There you go. Also all of her face, just to make it neat here. There you go. If you have some pen tablet, maybe it's gonna be more easier. I'm just using my mouse here. And also this part of her hair, as you can see here, is actually on the, there you go. Alright, so maybe this is not. Alright, so next, maybe I'm gonna make it even more smaller. And then for this part of this hair also a little bit. And then also her eyebrow, this part, and make sure you still hold the mouse. And then go for the nose, because of course obviously the nose is gonna be the one that gonna be closer to the camera. There you go. And also the lips. And for the lips, maybe the chin first. Yeah. And for the lips, make it smaller. Gonna draw the lips. I hope you understand this. So basically you're gonna make the part that closer to the camera to be white. Oh, sorry, there, to be wider, and the part that farthest from the camera gonna be black. So the tip of the nose is, maybe I'm gonna make it a little bit more white. You see there. And also the cheek, of course, like so. And of course this side too, like so. And for the eyes, we gonna change it to black and turn down the opacity to around 8, 9, 10, maybe 8, maybe 9. And then just draw the eye, because eye is kinda further away a little bit. Kinda go inside there. There you go for the eyes. And maybe this part also, because it's kinda further away a little bit. And also this part of the neck here. There you go. Maybe also this part. Alright, so we're gonna change the opacity back to 100%, and you will see something scary like this. Oh, whoops. Alright, no need to fix that. Alright, you will see something scary like this. And then all you're gonna do is go to filter, and we're gonna add some blur. So blur, Gaussian blur, and maybe around 14 for me. Basically we're gonna blend everything. So okay, as you can see, it's kind of bland. It looks scary, but yeah, later you're gonna find it really cool. Alright, so we're gonna save this file, save as, we're gonna call it Emma Watson. Save. Okay, and we're gonna close this, and we're gonna fire up After Effects. So inside After Effects, we're gonna add some effect called Displacement map. So we're gonna click our Photoshop file here and just drag it to After Effects. Make sure you're on the project, not the fact project, and just drag it. Boom. And we're gonna wait, and make sure the import kind here, you're gonna click composition, retain layer sizes, of course, and then merge layer styles into footage, and then click OK. And by the way, you can just file import file. It will be the same to import the Photoshop file. You're gonna drag it here, and then double click on this composition, and you can see your Photoshop layers inside After Effects. And we're gonna change it to 100% to zoom in, and we can actually turn off the map layer, and we can right click and rename it as map, and this one as Emma. Alright, so make sure you click the Emma here, your picture, whatever your picture is, and go to effects and presets here, and just type in displacement map. Alright, you already got that, displacement map, and click and drag it to your picture. Now on the displacement map here, you're gonna change the displacement map layer from Emma to map, and then you're gonna change it the displacement style here from red to luminance, and also the green here to luminance, because it's black and white. And as you can see here, if we change the horizontal displacement or vertical displacement, it already looks like a 3D looking picture. There you go, look at it. Woo, but don't do it too much or it will screw the image. Look at it. Woo. Right. And vertical also, don't do it too much. There you go. So what you can do here, the default is 5. You're gonna go to click it, just click something that looks like a clock here, and also the vertical displacement, click it, and on the Emma here just click U to show up the keyframes, and then maybe on this keyframe we're gonna like Emma facing on the left side over here, and then for the vertical maybe facing down a little bit, make sure not too much, we're gonna screw up the image, and then go here and we're gonna change it to positive value, and also the vertical here. Whoa, don't do it too much, make sure it still looks like Emma Watson, not like creepy witch. Well, she's a witch here in this photo, but not a creepy one, so 5 maybe. And there you go. And then you can of course back to this composition, the first composition, and as you can see here you got some blackness. Well, you can do just press S and scale it up a little bit, and there you go. Alright, so guys, as you can see here, oh, I just saved it. And you can RAM preview. As you can see here, it looks like the Emma Watson is moving in 3D, so it's like a 3D image. We just create this from a static photo. So I hope you find this tutorial useful. I'm so sure you're gonna find it useful if you make some biography of some people or something, a video, and yeah, you can use it. And by the way, you're gonna see this method a lot in some like e-news, like whatever whatever show that show people autobiography. Oh my god, my English sucks. It is what happened when I got a cold and I tried to make a tutorial. My English sucks. Alright guys, before I screw it up everything, I'm just gonna close it here. My name is Star from Terra Arts Movie. I found you find see that I found you find I hope you find this tutorial useful, and see you in the next cool videos and tutorials. Ciao.